Alright, welcome back everyone. Today's going to be a little bit different because I wanted to showcase the value of making great relationships within your community as a tow truck driver. Occasionally when you deal with the same clients over and over again, they get to know you, they get to know your service, who you are as a person, and every once in a while you get some perks out of that, whether it be a tip or maybe free drinks or a gift card, something like that. The other day, I towed a vehicle for the Ohio lottery, and in the process of doing that, one of the employees came out and said, "Hey, we've got this bag of goodies for you." So I chose to wait and not open it up until now, and we're both going to have a look at it together. Now, this is a soft-sided cooler. It looks like. Hopefully there was nothing cold in it because it's been a couple days. It's got the Ohio Lottery logo there. Nice big pocket, some organizational stuff, maybe some, ooh, it's like a can holder. Look at that. That's nice. Hold some cans that you take with you. Maybe you go to a sporting event or something. It's got some side mesh pouches, a nice back, and then a mesh pouch on top. So let's get right into it. We're going to see what is inside here. Again, another mesh pouch with a zipper, pretty nice. And the first thing is a box that has some arrows on it and a little mountainscape. So let's see if we can figure it out here. I'm going to set this down to the side for the moment. Oh, there we go. What do we have? As Cooney from UHF would say, what's in the box? We're going to open it up, and it looks like it is a nice Ohio Lottery tumbler. Look at that. Yeah. Made in China, but that's okay. It's got a nice lid to it with a little cap, and it is a ceramic 16-ounce tumbler. Nice, hot and cold, a nice pattern to it. It's got some weight, feels really good. So that's amazing. Cool, very cool. The next item that we're going to pull out is a plastic drinking cup. 40th anniversary. It's our biggest instant game ever. So there you go. Look at that. It is cracked, unfortunately, but that's all right as well. Now, we have another plain box. Let's see what we have in here. Some batteries fell out. Something electronic, perhaps. And it looks to be a little lantern. Look at that. Very awesome. With the Ohio Lottery logo on it. Nice little maybe camping lantern or something to have around the house. Very cool. Very nice. We have, an Ohio Lottery deck of cards. And if you know me personally, you know that I love cards. I work with cards, have a little side hobby as a card magician. So that's pretty awesome right there. Those will get some use for sure. A nice black box. It's kind of hefty. Oh. What is this? It's got USB ports. Not really certain what it is. It's got a USB in to it. And then it's got some outs. Maybe it's like a media station. There's a power button of some sort. I'll have to look that up. We got some lights. So we'll see what that is, because there's no list of what the items are. So there we go with that. Yeah, it doesn't say, but I will look it up to see what it is. Next up, we have something that will definitely get a lot of use because I love to drink coffee. An Ohio Lottery coffee mug. It's got a bunch of lottery balls embossed on it, and to preserve the vibrancy of your mug and glassware, please hand wash with mild detergent. Do not store in direct sunlight. So that's pretty cool. Very nice. And next up we have a big long box, which appears to be a selfie stick. Yeah, look at that. A nice Ohio Lottery selfie stick with an attachment thing, as well as a phone camera mount with the Ohio Lottery logo on it. And man, they really went all out in this swag bag, didn't they? Very, very cool. It's got a button, plugs into the phone, if your phone still takes that kind of connection. And that's a hefty stick there. Lovely. We're almost to the end here. There's a straw for the drinking cup, and then a back scratcher, and it says scratch and win. How ironic is that? Back scratcher that says scratch and win. Nice. And of course an Ohio Lottery pen. It's got the touch screen thing on it, and nice little ballpoint kind of fancy thing. Lovely. Is that a light? Is that what that is at the end? Look at that. I think that's a light. It's either a light or a magnifying glass. Yeah, look, there we go. Nice little light for riding in the dark. You drivers that work second shift would love this pen for sure. And then there's another one of those pens, and then of course the inside of the cooler to keep your lunch and your drinks. That's rude. To keep your lunch and your drinks all cool. So there you have it, swag bag from the Ohio Lottery. Lots of amazing, awesome items. Got to figure out whatever this thing is. And that's that. So thanks for watching today. You know, this is just one instance of proving that keeping good relationships in your community with your clients, the people that you serve as a driver, or as a person really, you know, goes a long way. So now I've got all this great stuff, and I'll be enjoying most of it in the days and years to come. Be sure to like, share, subscribe, or don't. That's cool with me. I'm just trying to enjoy making videos for you guys, and hope that you enjoy them as well, and that you have a good day.